Think you're getting free silver with your gold IRA? You might actually be paying extra for it without even knowing. Here's what some companies do. They promise $5,000 in free silver as a bonus for opening an account. It sounds generous until you look closer at the spread. Let's say they sell you silver at $30 per ounce. But if you tried to resell it, they'd only offer $24. That's a 20% spread that is way above the industry norm. So what looks like a free bonus might actually be baked into inflated pricing. You're not getting 5K for free, you are overpaying by thousands. This report shows you exactly how the free silver pitch works and how to avoid overpaying. It explains the pricing tricks companies use, how to do the math yourself, and which questions to ask before you commit. I'll link it in the description. Check it out before making any decisions. Now, some companies are legit, but others count on you not doing the math. That's why it's not enough to look at the bonus. You have to look at the spread. It's the gap between the buy and sell price. That's where the real cost can hide. You will learn exactly how to tell if the silver is truly free or just buried in the fine print. Grab the free Silver Scheme report below this video. It's free, it's quick to read, and it can save you a fortune later.